one is watching. It means keeping your promises to yourself, even when no one is holding you accountable. Because at the end of the day, success is not about what you do once in a while. It is about what you do every single day. Think about the best athletes in the world. They do not train only when they feel motivated. They train when they are tired, when they are in pain, when they don't feel like it. They understand that discipline is not about feelings, it is about commitment. The same applies to anyone who wants to succeed in any area of life. Whether you want to build a business, master a skill, or improve yourself, you must be disciplined enough to do the work no matter what. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for motivation. They say, I'll start when I feel ready, or I just need the right inspiration. But the truth is, motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. You cannot build your future on something that is temporary, but discipline is solid. Discipline stays when motivation disappears. Discipline keeps you moving forward when everything else in you wants to stop. The key to developing discipline is to stop making excuses. If you want something bad enough, you will find a way. If you do not, you will find an excuse. People who succeed are not the ones who have the most time, energy, or resources. They are the ones who decide that no matter what, they will do what needs to be done. They wake up early, they practice, they fail, they get up, and they try again. They train their minds to push past laziness, distractions, and comfort. Another important part of discipline is self-control. Successful people do not let their emotions control their actions. They do not let temporary pleasures destroy their long-term goals. They say no to distractions, no to things that waste their time, and no to anything that does not help them grow. They understand that every choice they make is shaping their future. If you want to change your life, start by building discipline. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop making excuses. Just start. Show up every day, even if it's uncomfortable, even if you're tired, even if you don't feel like it. Because every time you push yourself beyond your limits, you grow stronger. And the stronger you become, the closer you get to success. Growth begins the moment you decide that you are not a finished product. The moment you believe that you know everything, that you have done enough, that you have reached your limit, that is the moment you stop growing. The truth is, life never stops teaching. And if you want to succeed, you can never stop learning. Those who achieve the greatest success are not the ones who were born talented or lucky. They are the ones who never stop improving themselves, never stop challenging their own thinking, and never stop working on becoming better every single day. The problem with most people is that they think learning only happens in school. They believe that once they have a degree or a job, their education is complete. But life is the greatest school of all. And every single day is an opportunity to grow. The most successful people in the world read, learn new skills, seek new experiences, and constantly push themselves to become wiser, stronger, and more capable. They understand that success is not about what you have done, it is about what you continue to do. The moment you stop growing, you start falling behind. The world is changing every single day. New ideas, new technologies, new opportunities. Everything is evolving, and if you refuse to grow with it, you will be left behind. That is why it is not just important but necessary to have a mindset of continuous learning. You must be hungry for knowledge, for self-improvement, for progress. You must wake up every day with a desire to be better than you were yesterday. Growth does not happen by accident. It happens when you actively seek it. That means making learning a part of your daily routine. Read books that challenge your thinking. Listen to people who have achieved what you want to achieve. Surround yourself with those who inspire you to grow. And most importantly, apply what you learn. Knowledge without action is useless. Growth happens when you take what you have learned and use it to change your life. One of the most powerful things you can do for yourself is to adopt the mindset of a student. A student does not fear failure because they understand that mistakes are part of learning. A student does not get comfortable because they know there is always more to discover. A student does not let ego get in the way because they are open to new perspectives, new ideas, and new ways of thinking. If you want to keep growing, you must always be a student. No matter how much you know, there is always more to learn. There will be people who say, why are you always reading? Why are you always trying to improve? Just relax. But remember this, growth is a choice. Most people choose comfort over growth. They choose to stay the same because it is easier. But the few who choose to keep growing, keep learning, keep evolving, they are the ones who achieve greatness. Your future depends on what you do today. If you want to succeed, make growth a daily habit. Never stop learning. Never stop improving. Never stop pushing yourself beyond your limits. Because the moment you decide to keep growing, you become unstoppable. Success is not about luck, talent, or circumstances. It is about the choices you make every single day. It is about the mindset you develop, the habits you build, and the effort you put in when no one is watching. Those who rise above the rest are not the ones who had an easy path. They are the ones who refuse to settle, who pushed through challenges, who stayed disciplined when others gave up. They are the ones who never stop growing, never stop learning, and never stop believing in their ability to become more. If you want to change your life, you must first change yourself. You must decide that you are capable of more, that you deserve more, and that you will not let fear, doubt, or failure stop you. Every great success story starts with a single decision, the decision to try, to start, to take that first step. And once you take that step, you must be willing to keep going no matter how hard it gets. The world will always have opinions. People will doubt you, question you, and tell you that your dreams are impossible. But remember, their words do not define you. Your actions do. The best way to prove them wrong is through your success. Stay silent, stay focused, and let your results speak for themselves. This journey will not be easy. There will be setbacks, disappointments, and moments when you feel like giving up. But those who succeed are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who always get back up. So keep going, keep growing, and never stop pushing yourself toward greatness. Because one day, the same people who doubted you will be the ones who tell your story.